Hi, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? What's going on this time? Shiba Inu will get a very good profit, 1.38% in last 24 hours. Absolutely, the trend is gone, my friend, and as you can see, they will continually starting again normally now. So therefore, you can see it's also very good now in last 24 hours. They will never face down because my friend, after a huge pump, remember, my brother, this is reality, my friends. So after a huge pump, every coin were very badly dumps down. So therefore, I tell you, my friends, to sometime is coming soon, my friend. Check, remember my thing, my friend. What I tell you, in upcoming times, sometime is coming soon, my friends. So they will very badly fence down, and they will give you a negative change again. So therefore, please try to understand, my brothers. So this is also very good condition now. If you are starting buying this time, so I think you are completely wrong. But if you are starting holding, so it's really good now. If you are already holder now, please hold it. But if you're my friends, you have a plan to invest in this time, I think the price is very high. So I think please don't invest now and be safe from the loss. I know, my friend, in upcoming time the price will fails down of XR or Shiba Inu coin. If someone tell me to no, this is not right, my friend, you the price will fails down, the price will fails down, then don't wait, my friend. Just wait and watch the fails in upcoming time. Remember to just in only 6 days the price of Shiba Inu coin were fails down. After the my friends, after that, my friends, they will again pump up, because in last 10 days of every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I think there is a 50 to 60% chance whether the Shiba Inu price will pumps up now. So also, my friends, 40 to 50% chance to they were fans down. So please, this is remembered now. So thanks for watching, Shiba Inu coin holders. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you are new my channel, I hope, my friends, you will understand something new in this video. So please, for more videos, subscribe this channel.